Hey everyone, welcome to Hankster's Hot Rods and Muscle Cars in Homer City, PA. My name's Billy, I'm the buyer here at Hankster's. I want to show you this car that I purchased a few weeks ago. This is a stunning 1967 Ford Mustang. It's a coupe finished in bright red paint. You can see that the paint job is really slick on the car. Very shiny, very consistent all the way around. You can take a look here. You can see that we have a new set of Cobra Radial tires. These were just put on. They're 14-inch wheels on here. The chrome steel rally style wheels. Those are 215 70/14 tires all the way around, same size. We can take a look at the fenders of our Mustang here. You can see a GTA badge. That's a 1-year specific badge for 67 that denotes the automatic transmission. You can see the lower rocker molding here in stainless. That's in very nice condition. Our white stripe lines up quite well down the side of the vehicle, nice and straight. Take a look at our chrome side view mirror on the driver's side. That mirror is firmly attached. The chrome is in great condition. Glass looks good as well. All of the bright work around our driver's side window looks good. Our drip rail molding, real nice. Vinyl top is tight inside there, not loose at all. You can see our vent window trim, also in good condition. Nice supple rubber there. Take a look at our door gaps always. Those are consistent body lines lining up very well, front side and back side. Our chrome door handle, it's looking nice. Our gaskets, good on this car. You can look at our quarter window trim, same story. Very nice and bright, no damage, no pitting. Take a look inside. We have a two-tone interior in this Mustang, Parchment upholstery, red dashboard, red carpets, lap belts, front and rear, stock instrumentation behind a stock steering wheel, center console with a C4 automatic shifter. You can see this car is also equipped with a overhead console as well. Driver's side remote mirror, manual windows, door panels finished off in Parchment as well. Upholstery here, painted here. Door closes, really nice without much effort. Louvers for our 67 Mustang. Those fit well, nice and tight. Glossy red paint on those as well. Take a look a little bit at our vinyl top. Bright white vinyl top on the Mustang. It's in good condition, nice and tight everywhere. Our seam on both sides lines up nice and straight. You can look at some of our rear trim. Everything in good condition, nice fitment where the two pieces match. Nice fitment all the way around. Interesting feature on the 67 Mustang, we have a luggage rack. Don't see those very often. Mounted directly to the trunk lid. If we look at our gaps on our trunk, we can see that they're very consistent all the way around. The fitment is good. Rear of the vehicle shows off those iconic Mustang taillights, 3 on each side. All the bezels on all of them. Very good. The lenses, nice and crisp and clear red. You can see our Mustang badge across the back. Looks nice. All the letters nice and straight, of course. GT style fuel filler here. Very nice condition. Our rear bumper looks good on the Mustang. There's no pitting. It's really nice and straight, fits really well. And then finally down at the bottom we can see our reverse lights there in the rear valance. You can also see the dual exhaust, 2 tips on each side. Inside the trunk, we see more of the same glossy red paint all the way around our rain gutter. Done to a very high degree. The underside of our trunk lid looks good. We have a factory sticker there. Hood hinges even painted up very nicely. Lots of new hardware on this car. Factory trunk liner here. You can see the full-size factory spare. A set of front and rear Mustang floor mats included. Our trunk seal underneath is good. Our rubber bumpers on the corners also good. Those were obviously replaced. Gonna make our way down the passenger side. You can see that really nice glossy paint continues. The car is really straight as you look down the side of the car. You don't see any waves. Our matching Cobra radial tires, all four as a reminder. We'll take a look at the trim on the passenger side, and we can see that it's just as nice as the driver's side. Good condition all the way around. All of our rubber looks good. The fitment is excellent here. Matching side view mirror on the passenger side, chrome as well, attached to the car really well. As we look in this side, we can get a good look at that deep burgundy carpeting, our burgundy dash to match. Dashboard's in nice shape. There's no cracks, no damage. Mustang badge looking nice. Can get a good view of the bright work on that center console too. Door closes very well, very easily. We check our passenger side door gap. We're looking good there. Both the front side and the rear side. Both fit well. Fender mounted antenna here. Nice and secure, not loose. You can see some membership stickers for Mustang clubs for this car. This car was obviously cared for. Front windshield looks good. Nice and clear. It's a factory windshield you can see in the middle. Ford logo there. Bright work around the windshield. Looks nice. The fitment is good. It's tight, not loose at all. Wiper arms polished here. The blades look good as well. You can kind of finish at the front end of the car and take a look at the fitment of the hood. All of our lines are nice and straight. They're consistent. We have a steel hood here, two louvers. Those have turn signals inside of them. We'll see a better view of that when we open up the hood. GT style grille on this Mustang with the fog lights there in the middle. Of course, the iconic Mustang logo in the middle. Glass headlights good on both sides. The paint in around them, very nice condition. The bezels painted, the surrounds painted. Front bumper on the Mustang looks quite nice. It's nice and straight. Bolts shiny, consistent. No damage to speak of. You can see little guards here underneath to kind of protect that front valance. The valance painted also really nice. You finally see our fog lights underneath. Take a look under the hood. This is where we see a lot of attention to detail on this Mustang. You can tell it was restored with a lot of care. The underside of the hood painted in the gloss red. You can see our hood latch restored. Our turn signals that we spoke about earlier, you'll see those from the driving position on this Mustang. Little things like all new hardware to mount the fenders. We have new hardware on our strut tower brace and our K-brace in the back. Hood hinges look very, very nice. Air cleaner cover here, Cobra style. Matched set of valve covers, also finned Cobra, powered by Ford. You can see a lot of markings under the hood of this car. You see things like a P on the firewall, you see a 42 on the shock tower, you can see marks on the engine. These are just marks that were done when the car was produced. So whoever restored the car wanted to make it as factory correct as possible, so those markings were reproduced when the car was restored. There's a 4-barrel carburetor on this Mustang, has an electric choke, power disc brakes on this Mustang. It has front disc brakes, they're slotted and drilled rotors. On the back it has drum brakes. Factory style radiator here. Everything really original and really clean. You can see factory stickers everywhere. So that'll wrap up our exterior walk around of the 67 Mustang. Keep in mind, this car, along with any other car on our website, has a money-back guarantee. It has a 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty included. It also has free enclosed shipping to the lower 48 states included in our price on our website. You can see plenty of pictures of the Mustang. We're going to take it back now, do a video underneath, and show you what it looks like on the bottom side. All right, welcome back. We're underneath our 1967 Mustang, and you can see that this car is restored to a very high standard. Usually don't see this much detail under here, so let's take a look and I can tell you a little bit about it. We can see that it has the factory red oxide paint color underneath, full from front to back. It's also glossed, painted with a gloss for protection as well. Everything under here painted with a glossy paint. New and fresh. It looks really nice. We can see that some of our bushings here on our radius arm, bushing really good, supple, brand new hardware. A lot of new hardware under the car. Our front sway bar, you can see, really nice condition. Our bushings were checked by the mechanics. Those are all good, of course. One thing that's interesting on the bottom of this Mustang is there's a lot of factory markings when it was restored, so someone took the care to kind of put those assembly and check markings on the car. So you see some painted streaks on the car. That's what those are. There'll be numbers, letters. That just, when the car was assembled, it just kind of donates the assembly line process. So you can see that under here. You can see our oil pan painted in the factory blue finish. Really super clean and dry. Our drain plug here, tight, no leaks at all. It looks really good. Mustang has front disc brakes, slotted and drilled. All of the suspension components and steering components were checked. Those are all good. We can see our ball joints here, upper and lower. Tie rod ends, all looking good. These are greasable, so they were serviced. As we make our way back, we can kind of take a look at the transmission a little bit. It's a C4 automatic. If we look at our pan, we can see it's nice and dry. Nice glossy finish here as well. Really consistent. Dust shield here on our bell housing. You can look at all of our steering links, all freshly painted, all in really good condition. Make our way back a little further, we can kind of see the subframe of the vehicle. This is a sore spot. These get jacked up incorrectly a lot of times. These look really, really nice. No damage at the floor pans, have all of our factory stampings everywhere. Also finished off in that red oxide all the way from front to back. Can check our output shaft seal on our transmission. That looks good and dry. Pinch welds down the sides of the car. Nice and straight all the way back. I look under here and I see attention to detail everywhere. I can see our rubber drain plugs in the floorboards. They're all present. Our e-brake cable adjusted properly and working. It's hooked to both rear wheels. Drum brakes in the rear of this Mustang. Our exhaust system, this is a dual exhaust. It's connected to factory cast manifolds. Dual exhaust running back stainless steel to a set of stainless steel Borla mufflers in the back. Continue to the rear of the Mustang. We can see our drive shaft painted, marked factory. Our rear end has our ID tag here. This is an 8-inch Ford rear. Car has air shocks in the rear, so you can height adjust the rear suspension. Stock multi-leaf rear springs. You can see even all of our brake lines. almost new looking. Our exhaust, you can see, same thing. Fresh paint everywhere under here. Our fuel tank looks good. It's got a metallic silver paint on it. No damage whatsoever. Kind of make our way to the rear of the car. We can see our dual exhaust tips here coming out on both sides of the vehicle. Painted red on the underside here. Really nice and clean everywhere.